You'll notice some of these shelves are getting emptier because a lot of stuff's in boxes. And I have identified a museum that'll take a lot of my aircraft. I started packing up stuff by categories. There's some things they wanted, there's some things they didn't want. So I'm kind of repacking and making sure everything is in a box because we're getting closer to finding a house. So got to be packing the rest of the stuff anyway. So here's an example. Okay, here's the next layer. I tried putting in a flat board to make a shelf, but made it up too high, and those tails coming up didn't quite fit, but this will fit. And I think these really won't go anywhere the way we have it set up here, so I'm going to call this box full. That's a pile of packed models, and there's going to be more. That's some stuff for the museum, some stuff of mine. Some of these small boxes will get put into a large box like this one down here. That's got some stuff down there. And as you can see, the case is getting empty. There's some empty shelves here. Space models still have to be packed up. I got some of them packed. Most of the Gemini stuff has their own specialty boxes. But look at this. This is empty. There's some small boxes with models. What I'm going to do is a lot of the aircraft, I'll put 2 or 3 in these little boxes, and then they can get stacked up in a larger box, which prevents them from getting crushed. If you just put them in a big box and dump popcorn on them, they have a chance to squish into landing gear. That's why I put them on, raise them up off the landing gear with some foam blocks, at least the bigger, more fragile ones. Except here, because these are so big, the boxes aren't big enough. I found this on the curb, and I made a lid for it. And now this is some reinforcements to hold the lid up floppy. And I'm just gonna get the last of the very large models in this box here. And again, nothing will be sitting on top to crush them. So that's the approach that's going on here.